How's it going, YouTubians? I'm Gary with VW Jawbreaker, and today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and prepare and prep the JayCee pushrod tubes from CB Performance. So stick around and let's get to work. Alright, so in preparation to get our pushrod tubes installed, again, these are the JayCee pushrod tubes from CB Performance. Again, you notice one side's bigger than the other. That's to allow more clearance for the pushrod with ratio rockers. First thing we're going to do is take it apart. We're going to clean it. Clean it well. Okay, flush it out, blow it out. The reason you want to do that is you don't want any material from machining or whatever else inside there. You want it perfectly clean. Now, the kit comes with a little baggie with some O-rings and some large washers. It also comes with new pushrod seals. You see? There we go. That light's really giving me glare. I'm sorry, guys. First thing we want to do, if you notice, again, two different sizes, the washer, really loose. Oh, nice and snug. Kind of self-explanatory, right? Okay. We've got two grooves, two O-rings. So here's what we're going to do. Put the pushrod tube, or the spring on the pushrod tube, and go ahead and slide on one of these O-rings. Okay, so now we got one O-ring on. Slide on the other O-ring. They're a little snug too, I'm going to tell you that much. Whew, that wind's kicking up. It's a little chilly. I know, chilly in Florida. What can I say? I got pants on, guys. Alright, there we go. Both O-rings on. Now we're going to throw some oil on it. If you don't oil it, it's not going to slide properly, and they're going to bind. Throw some oil on it. Throw some oil inside your tube. Lube it up real nice so you can get them to slide together. Without the oil, they will not slide together. Now we need to pull the spring back a little bit, and there you go. It's together, and it will stay together. So now, well, we don't need it on that end. This thing gets a regular pushrod tube seal. The large end that goes to the head gets the washer, and then stretch this bad boy over it to seal against the head. And that, guys, is as simple as it is installing and getting these prepped to put in. Now remember, preparation is key. Can't expect things to go together and work right if you don't prepare them. So as you notice, that's really all there is to it. There's not a whole lot. Clean your pushrod tubes. Lube them up so the O-rings don't bind. Put them together. Then from there, gotta shove them in your ride. So I hope that helps answer some questions. And you guys, please be good, be kind to others, and we'll catch you on the next video.